I'm going to show you exactly how to make money by just typing from home. There are websites that will actually pay you to do simple typing tasks, and there are AI tools that can help you do these tasks quicker and better than ever before. You don't need to have any special skills, experience, equipment, or anything like that. And this is completely free for you to start. All you need is your laptop, internet connection, and the instructions that I'm about to break down for you in this video. Let's get started. So the first thing that I want to do is introduce you to the AI tool that's actually going to be handling all of the difficult work for us. You've probably already heard of it, but let's head over to OpenAI so I can explain how it works. From here, we're just going to open up Chat GPT. It's free to use, so there's no cost to get started. Once you're on the site, just sign in to use Chat GPT. If you haven't heard of it before, here's what it does. Chat GPT is a smart AI system that can create content and answer a bunch of different questions. For example, you could ask it to write a short blog post about how to use Chat GPT to write articles, and it would come up with a nicely written piece that you could then use on other platforms to make some money. But it's not just about blog posts. You can ask Chat GPT all sorts of questions. Whether you're curious about the most common baby names in the United States, or you need a detailed explanation of something complicated, Chat GPT can give you thorough answers. Because it's so versatile, there are plenty of ways to earn money with it. Now, let's talk about how you can use this to boost your income. With Chat GPT, you can take the content it creates and turn it into cash in a few different ways. You could write blog posts, articles, or even informational pieces on specific topics. The next step is to use Chat GPT on 3 platforms that I'll be covering now. Once you do that, you can start earning from the engagement and traffic your content brings in. Let's start with the first website that will pay you to type up some articles and posts for them. Website 1. So this website is called Talent Desire. It might not be the place for the highest payouts, but it's great for beginners. Talent Desire has a bunch of different job opportunities, with earnings that can range from around $1,500 a month to between $75 and $225 a day, depending on what you do. They offer work in areas like freelance blogging, language translation, proofreading, content writing, and other typing-based tasks. The great thing is that a lot of these jobs can be made easier with AI tools like ChatGPT. One of the best things about Talent Desire is that it's pretty flexible. You can take on more than one job at a time, and if you use ChatGPT, you can handle the workload without a problem. For example, if you're a freelance blogger just starting out, you could earn about $25 per post. And if you're more experienced, you could make up to $75 per post. The awesome part is that getting started on Talent Desire doesn't require much. You just need a computer with a good internet connection, basic internet skills, a decent understanding of English, and to be at least 16 years old. Also, there's no registration fee, so you won't have to spend anything up front. To get started, head over to the Talent Desire website, scroll down and click on Find a Job. Then look through the listings and you can pick whichever one of these looks best to you. You can learn more about the job, the details, the pay rate, eligibility, and so on. And then at the bottom, you just click the Apply Now button. That will lead you to the application process. Scroll down until you see Select an Application Form, then click on that. Choose the Online Application Form. When you're there, fill in your basic info like your first and last name, email address, contact number, country, and zip code. For the job title, pick the relevant one. To maximize your earning potential, choose All Day as your preferred work time, and select PayPal for your payment method. Once you've filled in all the details, agree to the privacy policy, add your signature, and complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Then just hit the red Submit button to send in your application. Once your application is submitted, you just need to wait for Talent Desire to get in touch and assign you some tasks. And if you need help managing the work or creating content, remember that ChatGPT is there to help you out. Website 2. There's this awesome opportunity at Remo Tasks, where you can make up to $720 a week just by helping train AI chatbots. The job is pretty straightforward. You type responses to different questions to help improve the chatbot's conversational skills. The questions range from things like your favorite type of coffee to where you'd like to travel. Each answer you give helps the chatbot get better at talking to people, so what you do really matters. One of the coolest things about Remo tasks is how flexible it is. You get to choose your own hours, so you can fit this work into your schedule however it works for you. That makes Remo tasks a great option if you're looking to make some extra cash without a strict timetable. The tasks are simple and involve writing short responses and reviewing the chatbot's performance, so it's not too demanding. It's an easy way to earn a steady income without a lot of stress. If you want to start making money quickly, Remo tasks is a great choice. The tasks are easy to understand, and you can work whenever you want, which is perfect if you're busy with other things, but still want to earn some extra cash. It's a no-fuss way to get started on your money-making journey. And since you can earn quickly with these short writing and review tasks, it's a practical option for anyone looking to boost their income without a lot of effort. Website 3. So FreeCash is a website where you can make money by taking simple surveys. What makes FreeCash interesting is that there are so many different surveys to choose from, and you get paid for each one you complete. These surveys ask for your opinion on all sorts of topics, and you can either use Chat GPT to quickly generate responses or share your own thoughts. The pay for each survey varies. Some might give you $5, while others could be worth $10 or more. Even the shorter surveys, which take just a minute or two, can earn you about 50 cents. This variety means you can pick the surveys that fit your schedule and earn money at your own pace. When you're on FreeCash, you'll find new surveys popping up all the time. If you run out, just refresh the page and you'll see more to choose from. This way, there's always something to do, so you can keep earning. And when it's time to cash out, FreeCash makes it super easy. You just click a button to start the process, and then you can choose how you want to get paid. They offer lots of options like PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and more, so you can pick whatever works best for you. Now here's a quick tip from me before you jump into what I showed you today. Definitely sign up to all 3 websites, and maybe even more like these. That way, you have way more opportunities across all the websites to make some good money. I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, I'd really appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe for more like this.